Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change clock format for your speaker Amazon Echo Show 8. You have to start by open the application and now go to devices at the bottom. Now click on your speaker and go to settings. Then click on the clock format and right here we can swap it to 24-hour clock because by default we have 20. So click on it and as you can see it changed right here. If I disable it I will return to 12 hours clock. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!